Hey, what is going on, everyone? It's JP here from Crypto Hobby, and hope everyone's doing well. And I wanted to make a quick video today because I'm getting a lot of people that are messaging me and talking about this mobile mining situation. And it seems like there's a lot of people that are pretty anxious to get their coins. So they don't seem to be getting their coins, or they think that it's stuck, or the balance is zero. It says it transferred out and it didn't transfer over to the wallet. And so lots of stuff like that. So let's just get into that, and I'm gonna talk a little bit about that and some other things going on with Electroneum right now. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like it. Leave some comments below. I've been getting lots and lots of good feedback from people on Electroneum, and so that's a good thing. We want to make sure and share all the information we have. So we'll get right into it, and just as I said, you know, been getting a lot of messages from people, and just some discouraged. You know, they're trying to get their coins, and so I get it. You know, the reason that we did this mobile mining or any kind of mining, the reason we do it is to get some coins and, you know, to be able to make a few bucks. And so I totally get it, but you know, at the same time, I know there's a lot of new people also in the space, and they get a little bit impatient. And you know, these projects are not small. I mean, they're big and they're complicated, and you know, Electroneum's been trying to work out a lot of things, and they are working them out. They're making progress, and I can see the progress. I know there's a lot of people really excited about Electroneum, and there's a lot of people that are, you know, kind of down on Electroneum and don't see the value, and I can't understand that. So, you know, we'll talk about all that in just a little bit here, but let's just get started first on the mobile miner itself. So I've got my phone hooked up over here so you can see what I'm looking at on my screen. Today was actually 100,000 miners. It was the first day that we went over 100,000 miners. So it's at 80,000 now, but let me tell you, you know, when I first started doing this mining back in February, I was one of the beta testers, so, you know, it was like 100. So, you know, it went over 100,000 miners today. So, you know, there's some value there, you know, getting that many people to be active on here. And it's a very simple process, and again, I'll go over that in a second, but let's go over this. I've got 30 hashes per second going on, a little bit over. There's 1.5 ETNs in here right now. Now what's happening with mine is every time this reaches 10, it goes back down to 0. It resets down to 0. And so if you go over here to the wallet, which I'll click on my phone so I can switch over, you can see, you know, my balance is up here. You can see it's like 10 point something that it hits. Let's see. So if you can see the dates on here for today, May 3rd, you know, I've had one payout already of 10. Yesterday was the second. I had, looks like I had three payouts. Yeah, 3 payouts of 10. So 30 yesterday. And then May 1st was 2 payouts of 10, and April 30th was 3. So, and so on. So, you know, that you get the idea. It's, you know, it looks like I'm earning between 20 and 30 coins a day. So, you know, they're coming out. Now, it wasn't at first. I'll as I've told many people in the comments, at first, you know, it was building up. This number would build up to, you know, 150 or, you know, 300 or whatever it was. And then it would, you know, eventually it would transfer out, and I was just patient. I don't care. I'm not looking to trade these things, you know, like a madman. I just want to hold on to them. And so I wasn't really that anxious. And eventually it worked out. They kept working on it. I didn't send them complaint tickets or anything like that. I just waited for them to do it on their own, and they did. So, you know, here it is today, May 3rd, and I've had one. Now, I'm going to tell you one thing that I learned today, because I didn't see this before, And that was, I clicked on this wallet and there was a little 3 here, like a little red 3, actually up on this notification bell up on the top, and it was also down here on the wallet. But I clicked on the little notification bell thing, and I'll click on it, and it took me over to this screen, which I had never looked at before. So this one says, as you saw on my wallet, there was a payout of 10 already, May 3rd, but it's also working on 2 more. So this might be a place that you can go and look and see if, you know, if it's on yours. If the balance goes down to 0 right here, but your wallet still isn't showing. Your wallet still isn't showing them on your balance right here, then maybe you can go up to your notification thing on your wallet and look at it, and there might be some information there for you, because there's looks like 2 of them on mine for today are still being processed. So green check for the one that has been processed, and then 2 here that they're working on. One of them is being processed by the blockchain, and one of them, mobile miner payment, has been added to the queue for processing. So this looks like this last one has not even made it as far as this one here, the second one, but that's okay. So to me, that tells me there's going to be 3 again today, 3 payouts of 10. So now, and I'll tell you that I'm earning a few extra coins because some people are using my code my little promotional code thing that I left on my other videos. It doesn't give me a lot of coins, but it gives a few, and it also gives you some extra coins too. So feel free to use it if you want when you sign up for it. I don't work for Electroneum. I don't get paid by them. I don't get anything from them. I do the mobile miner because I want to get the extra coins, and then if you use my promo code also on there, I'll get a few extra coins, and so will you. And then of course, when you sign up for when you download the app off of Google Play Store for your Android phone, because it's not available for iOS yet, but it will be. But when you download this app, you'll also get your own earn free coins. You'll have a little promo code that you can give to your friends, and you can start earning some extra coins, if they use your code too, so you can do the same thing. So it's not a lot. I'm just telling you, it's not very many coins, but every little bit helps, and they're free. So why not take advantage of it? And I did have one person ask me if it was necessary, did they need to have some Ethereum on here or some Ripple in order to make this work? They thought maybe that's why their coins weren't transferring out. And the answer is no. You don't have to have any Ripple or Ethereum or Bitcoin on here. You don't even have to have Electroneum that you've purchased on the app. You can just have a 0 balance, just download the app and click on Start Mining, which will look like that when you first get it. Start Mining, it'll say Start Mining, you just click on that, and you will instantly start earning Electroneum. So you don't have to have anything. You just, but just be patient if it looks like it's not transferring out, or try those little methods that I showed you. But I just want to talk for a second too about the value of this. And the reason I say that is because I've just seen a lot of comments from people that just are down on the project, or they're thinking that there's no value in this. I got to tell you, I'm really surprised when I hear that, because this is an amazing thing to have. This many miners. 81. They got 81,000 on there right now, and they hit 100,000 today for the first time. Let me just see if I can make it kind of compare it to something maybe. When other big platforms like Facebook, when they first came out, they, even the people that were creating Facebook, they didn't really understand what the value was of the platform. They just knew that it was a cool thing, and that everybody kind of wanted to go there. Once people were exposed to the platform, once they saw Facebook and they tried it out, they wanted to be on there. It was kind of addictive. They liked it, and they wanted to be on there all the time. And the people that were creating Facebook, they were like, "Oh, well, we don't really know what the value of Facebook is yet, because we don't even really know what it is." But the main thing is, it's a place where people want to be. And you know, the more people that they got to go on Facebook, the more valuable it was, as you can now see. It's the same way. It's the same thing with Electroneum. And if you can't see that, I just say you're not looking, because if you can't see the value of having 100,000 people on here, active mobile miners on here, and wanting to be on here. I find myself checking this app, you know, a couple times a day now. You know, it is kind of addicting. I mean, you're earning Electroneum for free just to have the application on your phone. It's not draining my battery. It's not taking up my data. It's not doing anything. Just earning Electroneum. So if you can just think about it from that perspective, or also, you know, think about it from when it does achieve mass adoption, which is what they're trying to do. They're trying to get it in the hands of, you know, the entire world. And in developing countries, you know, where, you know, I don't know what the percentages are, but it's a high percentage of people that don't even have access to banks or have bank accounts. And even in developed countries, you know, that's the case, that there's a lot of people that don't have bank accounts. This is something that they will be able to use immediately. And they'll be able to start earning these coins, which will eventually be very useful in you know, paying for things, you know, such as phone bills or other things. And you have to keep in mind that Electroneum is the first. They're the first ones to be doing something that is going to be great, and something that other people will try to imitate in the future. But they're the first, and they're working out the bugs right now. So think about it that way. Think about this as a great project that has tons of potential. And the more partnerships that they get, and the more miners that they get on here, the more active miners that they get on. Think about this. Android is the only one right now that can do this. When Apple finally does allow them to you know, be on their platform as well, that alone is going to make this number jump way up, you know. But the more partnerships that they get, and the more that they, you know, the more the word gets out, this is going to be a big thing. And so I would just say, you know, look a little closer. Don't get impatient and just say, oh, it's a scam coin, or, you know, this. It's not. It's not. They're working hard, and they're working out the bugs. And give it some time, and hold the coins that you get. Don't try to just sell them off. Not smart, in my opinion. So anyway, guys, I appreciate it. I'm gonna probably just leave it at that, but if anybody has any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down there. I'll try to answer them, or, you know, other people jump on and answer as well. So if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you my opinion, sharing my experiences with you. And I hope all is well with everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.